Ma'am, did you look at my homework?
Did you? I just received the homework. I didn't check it. I'll check it and let you know after the class.
Okay.
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 Did you go through the formula which I have sent it to you yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we'll discuss exercise 3.3 from trigonometric function. So the question number 1 here is, prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is the question. So you take one of the side and prove whether LHS and RHS are same or not. So they are taking the left hand side. So it's sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. And you know the value of pi already, which is 180 degree, isn't it? So it's going to be sine square 180 degree upon 6 plus cos square 180 upon 3 minus tan square 180 upon 4. So they are simplifying it. If you simplify, 180 upon 6 is nothing but 30. 180 by 3 is also 60. 180 upon 4 is 45. And you just have to substitute the corresponding values over here. You know the value of sine 30 degree, which is 1 by 2. Since you have square, you need to square the value after substituting there. So it's 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 1 square. So 1 by 2 the whole square is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. When you simplify this, you will get the answer as minus 2 upon 4. Simplify further, you will get the answer as minus 1 by 2. So we have proved LHS is equal to RHS. So we just did two things here. We substituted pi is equal to 180 degree and simplified. After that, we are substituting the value from the trigonometric table. That's it.
Okay.
Question number 2. Two sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square sine 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3. Here cosecant and cos are in multiplication is equal to 3 by 2. So here also you are repeating the same. You are just substituting the value of pi as 180 degree in this. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
after that you are simplifying it. So you are getting the answers like this: sine square 30, cos square 210 degree, and cos square 60 degree. So here,
Ma'am,
how many
questions are there in this exercise?
I think more than 15. 1 minute. Okay, you have 25.
Okay.
So you know the value of sine 30 degree and cos 60 degree. They are directly substituting it. But for cosecant, you have 210 degree that you have to calculate. So how can you calculate cosecant theta? You can calculate cosecant theta by taking the reciprocal of sine theta, isn't it? So cosecant 210 degree is equal to 1 upon sine 210. So sine 210 can be expressed as 180 plus 30. And I hope you remember this identity. 100 sine 180 plus theta is minus sine theta. What does it mean?
Ma'am,
100
learn the teacups way and then like do of just doing all of these.
Exactly. Like 180 plus theta means it falls in third quadrant, isn't it? 180 plus theta means it is greater than 180, lesser than 270, which means it is third quadrant. In the third quadrant, all silver T. Only tan and cot are positive, other things are negative. So you will write your answer in terms of negative. Okay?
Okay.
So sine is negative here. So the theta is 30 degree here. So it is minus sine 30 degree. And you know the value of sine 30, which is 1 by 2. So it's going to be minus 1 by 2. Reciprocal it. you will have 1 upon minus 1 upon 2, which will be negative 2. So that's going to be cos 210 degree. So now you just substitute them. So once you do the substitution, you will have 2 times up 1 upon 4 plus 4 times up 1 upon 4. So which is, you just cut the 4 here, here, one is the result. Similarly, cut over here, here you will have the answer as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 would be 3 by 2. Yes, yes, yes.
210.
Sorry?
Can you repeat the part where you got the value of 210?
Here you do have 7 pi by 6. So it's 7
Yeah.
into 180 by 6. When you simplify this, you will have 210. It's cosecant 210. So you are just rewriting cosecant 210 as 1 upon sine 210. You are taking the reciprocal because cosecant and sine are reciprocal to each other. So sine 210 can be expressed as 180 plus 30 degree. And you know the formula, which is 180 plus theta means you will have minus sine theta. Here in the place of theta, you have 30 degree. So it's going to be minus sine 30 degree, which means sine 210 and negative sine 130 are equal to each other. So the answer is negative 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2, you learned it from the table, isn't it? From the trigonometric table. So now you substitute these value in the question. I mean, like after you change them in the form of theta, where you make the substitution here. Okay. So you know the value of sine theta, you know the value of cosecant 210, you know the value of cos 60. So if you substitute and simplify, you will get the answer like this.
Ma'am, can we practice for like this cosec?
Like cosec 210?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'll give you. So how will you find secant 210?
So first it was like sec is cos is reciprocal, so 1 by cos.
Yeah. So it's
1 by cos. 210 was can be written as 180 plus 30.
Yeah.
And then so since it falls on third quadrant, cos only tan and cot would be negative. Cos will be tan and cot would be positive. Cos will be negative.
Yeah.
So 180 plus theta will fall. That's what. So 180 theta, 180 plus theta will fall on the third quadrant. So
which means
it will be negative cos
theta.
And then I didn't understand.
What is that theta? What is that theta? 180 degree plus theta, right? So in place of theta, what is
30. Okay,
30.
okay.
Understood.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
So what is cos theta? I mean 30 degree.
Cos 30 is root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. So it's negative root 3 by.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
So now you will just take a reciprocal of it because you need it for the secant. Which means the answer is minus 2 upon root 3.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, understood.
Okay. Shall we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, here they gave us the table also for our reference. Okay, can you try this without saying it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, cot 30. Okay, nothing. Ma'am, is cosec 150 root 3 by 2?
Okay, so for cosec 1 by
1 by sine.
you're getting 5 pi by 6. Yeah, cosec 150, which means you'll write it as 180 minus theta, isn't it?
180 minus theta.
Which
Okay,
means
okay, ma'am.
180 minus 30 degree.
Okay, I can do it. I thought it would be like 90 plus 60.
Okay, anything is fine. Either way, it is correct only.
Okay. So if I do it by sine, 60 degree I get.
Yeah, exactly.
So if
If you
okay,
do it by
okay,
90 degree, you will get 60. If you do it by 90 degree plus theta, you will get 60. If you go by 180, you will get 30 degree. That's it.
okay. So it would be 3 plus sine root 3 by 2 by plus 1. So 4 plus root 3 by 2. It won't be equal to 6. I'm not getting it.
Please check here.
But sine 60 is root 3 by 2, right?
What is sine 90 degree plus theta? You will get the answer in terms of cos, isn't it? Sine 90 degree plus theta is not sine theta.
Okay. So it would be cos 60.
Yeah. You won't get the same term every time. Like in the 90 degree, you will get a different term only. Only in the even term, you will get the same term. Like sine 180 degree plus theta means you will get the answer in terms of sine only. But if you go for sine 90 degree,
Minus,
it will change. This will be changed to
to
cos.
cos.
Then you have to check whether it falls on the which quadrant for predicting their sign.
Okay.
In 90 degree and 270 degree, I think it will go opposite. Only in the 180 degree and 360, it stays the same.
I'm not getting to.
For cosecant 150,
Yeah.
1 minute, I'll do it.
Others all I got, but cosec 150 I didn't get to. Maybe I should not do 90 plus 60. Instead, I should just minus it.
No. It doesn't like that. 90 plus 60, yeah, it is 150. You can do it. There is no such restriction. What is cos 60 degrees, Srishti?
Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Oh,
It's 1 by 2. So what do you supposed to do? You're supposed to substitute here. 1 upon 1 by 2. You're getting 2. I think you forgot to reciprocal it.
yes.
Yeah.
So we have to reciprocal it after.
Yeah. Because cosecant is equal to 1 by sine, isn't it?
Okay.
You found the value for sine. You found the value for this only, which means at last you have to substitute here.
Okay, ma'am. Hello?
Yes. Okay. You got the answer then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll go to the next question. Okay, maybe you try this one. 2 sine square 3 pi by 4, 2 cos square 3 pi by 4, 2 secant square 3 pi by 3 equal.
Mom, is sine 135 1 by root 2?
Sine 135 is 1 by root 2. So you splitted the sine 135 as 90 plus 45,
Yes,
which
mom.
means cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yes, mom, I got 10.
Okay, you're getting 10 as the answer?
Yes, mom.
Okay, that's great. Okay, these are all pretty simple, Srishti. Hardly takes few seconds to judge the answer. So sine 75, how will you split? 45 degree plus 30 degree. But for 45 degree plus 30 degree, you didn't learn anything in the table.
Should I do it?
Like you cannot substitute the value of 45 and 30 degree here. Okay. Because sine of A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay. Most of the time, people tend to write sine of the A plus B as sine A plus sine B, which is wrong. Trigonometry doesn't work like that. Okay, this is wrong. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Can you follow what I'm saying? Hello.
Hello, mom.
Yes, Srishti. Can you hear me?
Yes, mom.
So I was saying that sine of A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. It is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Did you get that?
Yes, mom.
Yeah, so they are just substituting the value of x and y here. X, y, a, b, anything is fine. So sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sine 30. Okay. And then you just substitute their respective values. Simplify it, you will get the answer.
Okay.
Very easy.
Mom, is this the only way that we can do this?
Yes,
Otherwise,
yes, absolutely,
because
absolutely.
my the physics sir taught me another easy way, but I forgot that way. It was like we could find it in really
Okay, maybe I
easier
think
method.
I will check with him. But the thing is, like here in your answer, they will expect you to use such these formula.
Yeah. Okay.
Like
Okay, mom.
the reason why they're asking you this question is to check whether you were aware of these identities or not.
Formula.
Okay. So
Okay.
which is why I'm using this. I will also check with him. Like you can use such shortcut in the physics. That will definitely save your time. But here they will check the formula. Okay.
Okay.
If it is a
Okay,
one
mom.
mark question, definitely you can use such shortcuts. No problem. You can check with them in the next class.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
mom.
So next question is tan 15, which could be written as 45 minus 30. You do have a formula for tan A minus B, which is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay. So this is the formula. Please note it down. I think I have sent you the list of formulae yesterday. You can check it in that.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
might be having these identity. So just replace x as 45 and y as 30 degree. You know the corresponding values of tan 45 and tan 30. Just substitute and simplify. You will get the answer. Maybe simplification could will take little time. I'll show you how. Like here you do have 1 minus 1 upon root 3, 1 plus 1 times of 1 into 3. You will do some LCM here. So when you do the LCM in the numerator, you are having like root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 and root 3 plus 1 upon. This root 3 and this root 3 will cancel out each other. You will be left with root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. which is rational. So we have to rationalize further. So when you rationalize it, you know this, you will just have to multiply the numerator and denominator with this by changing their sign in between. Like you do have plus sign. We just have to change this as negative and multiply the numerator and denominator by that, which is root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. So when you multiply it, the numerator going to be square. The denominator will have a plus b into a minus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square in the denominator. They are expressing the numerator as a minus b the whole square format. You know this identity also, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Using that identity, they are expanding the numerator. You can see it here. It's root 3 square, which is 3. 1 square, which is 1. 2 into root 3 into 1 is going to be 2 root 3. So that's going to be your numerator, 4 minus 2. In the denominator, you do have a plus b into a minus b. I told you this already. You have to express this as a square minus b square, which is root 3 square minus 1 square. So that would give you the answer as 3 minus 1, which is 2. So take the 2 from the numerator, cancel out the 2 in the numerator and in the denominator. So you will be having this as the result. 2 minus 2. Hence,
Okay.
tan 15 degrees equal to 2 minus. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you another question. Okay, please try this one.
Ma'am, cos A minus B would be cos A, cos B, sine. I
1
don't know
minute.
the formula.
Cos A minus B. Okay, Srishti, they are just simplifying like this. So you
Ma'am,
have cos pi by 4 minus x,
substituting
cos pi
pi.
by 4 minus y. So what they have done here, they have taken cos outside. Oh, no. 1 minute. I'm confusing you. 1 minute. They are considering this as A, this as B. Again, this as A and this as B. So now it looks like cos A, cos
Oh, that's
B
the formula. That's the
minus
formula.
sine A, sine B. So this is equivalent to
Cos A plus A, cos A plus
plus
B.
B, isn't it? So you just have to substitute the value of A and B here. So which is pi by 4 minus x and pi by 4 minus y. If you do that, so you will have it like this. You simplify this part.
Okay, so I got A as 45 minus X and B as 45 minus Y.
They're adding both the pi's. I mean pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 will become.
The first thing I did was substitute pi by with 180
Yeah,
and I
yeah.
got
Don't do
45.
that. You
But
first
isn't it the
simplify it.
same?
Same only. Like either way, it's gonna be same. You'll be ended up having the answer as 90 minus of x plus y.
Ma'am, what is cos A my
What is cos A? In the question, what you have assumed as A? A is
sine?
pi
Okay,
by
so
4
we need
minus
to take
x.
sine out. Huh?
B is pi
Don't
by
we
4
need?
minus y. See, this entire thing is A. This entire thing is B.
Yes, ma'am, understand. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
Is equal to
Okay,
cos of A plus B. So here
let
you
me
would be
check.
able to notice the simplification of cos of A plus B.
There are like a lot of formulas in this chapter.
Yeah. That is the only thing in the trigonometry. And thank God that they have deleted the next exercise. You do have so many identities in that also.
Ma'am, so RHS is sin A plus B. And
RHS
sin A
is
plus
sine,
B.
yeah, which is x
So
plus
then,
y.
like that formula will be sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
No. They're just asking us to prove whether left hand side is equal to right hand side or not, isn't it? Did you add pi by 4 and pi by 4? Can you see the screen? Can you see the simplification on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
They added pi by 4 and pi by 4, which becomes pi by 2. You have minus x and minus y. They have taken minus out. Now you do have pi by 2 minus of x plus y. And pi by 2 is
But how
nothing
do
but
they
1.
take cos out as common? I didn't get
Yeah,
that.
that's what, that is how you have cos of a plus b, isn't it? You're not taking cos out. The formula was equivalent to cos of a plus b. You have the term like this, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, like that you have in the question, isn't it?
Okay.
Understood. We're just
Mm.
utilizing that identity.
So I'll take cos out and then put and
It's not that you are taking the cos outside, you are just using that identity. You are using
yes,
the
ma'am.
identity cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos A plus.
So I got cos
Of A plus B, what is that A plus B? Pi by 4x, pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus pi.
I got like cos of 90
Minus x minus y.
minus x plus x plus y.
Yeah. So change the pi by 2 into 180 by 2, which is 90. 90 minus of x plus y. So
I
what
got
is
that.
cos 90 degree minus theta?
Sin Ma'am, it's given as cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta.
Yeah. So what is theta here? Theta is sin x plus y.
Theta is plus y. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, understood.
Okay. So the next question here. Okay, it's going to end in a minute of time. I'll post it again.
Okay.